Close your eyes. Okay, we got a surprise for you though. You go. Dali.
Ibaw kita.
Yeah, you can open your eyes.
Tang 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 tang.
What do you mean?
May merchandise for
Oh,
you.
dili na siya
For the
bachelorette
trip.
kung walay merchandise.
Correct! And then, we'll have dinner tonight!
Yes! We book our reservation.
Oh, nagdakagway sa...
Yeah.
Asa? Sa na.
Tablespoon ubod.
Asa man ta... Where?
What?
Wala ko yung white nga dress. So, na mo later.
Yeah, you have to wear that.
Later? Wala ko yung white. So, black nga dress.
Gani! Selena! Okay, that's not a problem. Kanina, itrapal. Ayan, bulkasa na. Soto di mo.
As an pharmacist, you have all the tumbles you can have.
Yes.
And all the alcohol. I mean, alcohol. Imahan ng white. Imahan niya pa itong
Aww.
merchandise.
Nice. Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're packed.
Yay, you're fun!
Selena, suoto ni mo ha. Natay book reservation. 6. Yeah, at 6. So, dapat mga 5.
Wait, kinahanglan tag car. What man tag car?
Uber!
Grab! Gojek! Grab!
Kasi dugay unya.
No, mas dali siya para kung sa regular taxi. Uno, minaw.
Okay.
Huwag siya minaw sa instruction. Yopper ka. Okay, yes, pack ganun. Yeah. Yeah, mas better na ka with zinc. Of course. Trust me, I'm a pharmacist. Ikaw. Ma'am, nagawa sa yung pagka-excited ron. Okay, perfect. Sinapin ko ta. Selena fashionista. We are on our way to surprise? No, the credit is all to her. Yes.
No worries, you can walking down and then... The view is mountain, and also you can see like tutorial area, but really small. On the night you can see like city light. So 360 view. Pagong Mountain is the highest mountain in Bali, and also Batu Karu Mountain on the west north area.
No, but
Oh, of course. Maybe you want to go there now?
Is it like far?
No. Just go to the main building, and then we have a lift.
Oh, okay. Let's go then.
Flower has so many colors.
Oh.
Not only a purple and red, but we also have a white and peach, and also what color? Pink.
So, what is the name of this
We
flower?
call in Bali is pacha.
Ispacha?
P-A-C-A-H. Pacha.
Ah.
Similar with rose, but
More special. I think this is more special. Hey, just for you.
was the flower that was on the bathtub.
in the bathtub, and also we.
Cinderella moment. Cinderella moment. Ah, what kind of... okay. Yes. Mga ceremony ka to, nasa mga salon.
Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day.
How was the surprise?
Lazy Sunday afternoon. I'ma take Monday off. Ooh, got me so in love.
We're going to Rome.
Yes,
We're going to see the next venue. I'm not sure, maybe next year for her.
crossfiters.
Yes. Let's look around.
Cause we got the sunshine.
This is nice for like an intimate wedding. Good evening.
You have a quiet guest, right? So many times here. It's a Jimaran area, Kuta and Garuda Wisnu Kencana Sanctuary.
Ah.
You can see if the sky is clear. Very much. Yes. Please don't forget to leave a review for us to support our team for the next future guests coming. Because this is our first time to hosting for like a bachelorette party, something else. So that's why my team will be lovely and support us if we receive a good review from you.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll leave you here. Please enjoy until 10 p.m.
Okay, oh my god, thank you so much.
Yeah, don't forget to order a lot of drinks.
Okay.
But it's additional.
Yes. No problem.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Next year. Hopefully.
Cross fingers.
Okay, bye-bye, guys.
Bye. Thank you.
Oh, I love feta. This is for we call it ambush goose.
favorite.